It gives me very great pleasure to attend this conference, particularly as patron.
You are the future for soil science. Soil science is doing very well at the moment.
We've got a sense, hopefully, in the next couple of days where the gaps and the challenges are in soil science and where we will be filling those gaps in the future.
It's great to see all the different variety of topics and all the different research that's going on all across the country.
Networking with people who are at the same stage in their career, getting some more ideas about future career opportunities.
The workshops they have for the research and the next career opportunities, it was wonderful.
His Royal Highness came, which was nice to see the patron here and engaging and listening to a few of the talks.
It is because of people like you who are making lots and lots of tiny steps that us farmers can improve. And when I think of it, you are obviously going to be in the front line of the battle against the effects of climate change.
It's given me a chance to see perspectives of different soil scientists in the UK and internationally.
If you go to other conferences, it can often be quite intimidating to stand up in front of these seasoned professors and seasoned scientists and talk to them. It's much more relaxed to talk to people in a similar situation as yourself.
I think it's very useful in terms of my possible options for my career as a soil scientist.
Really good, yeah, especially the poster session. I think it's really nice to be able to sort of get a little sort of snapshot from the actual people rather than just wander around and see the posters. That was really helpful.
I'm delighted that our patron, His Royal Highness the Duke of Gloucester, will make the first contribution to the capsule by signing a letter on behalf of society.
We had a really interesting workshop yesterday looking at careers and after our PhDs and what skills.
My line of study is about worms, so I always kind of, when I go to soil science based conference, I feel like we're not really represented, but it seems that I see a lot of worms people here as well. It's a lot of representation.
The standard of presentations continues to go up considerably every time we have one of these meetings.
I found it very useful, and most of people are a good experience to get with me for the next coming years.
Extracurricular activities, going to the botanic gardens is a nice way to kind of get some fresh air and be more relaxed.
It really gave them confidence to show how much they know about the work and how well they can present.
We've got our careers to come, but this conference has at least penned the very first chapter, so I'm sure for all of us the very best is yet to come. Thank you very much.